2012 TL. The Acura TL is a strong choice for people looking for a mid-size luxury vehicle. Offering a typically spacious Acura interior, this car is loaded with high-tech features and receives top scores in crash tests and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, fog lights, CD player, power windows, rear window defroster, security system, electronic stability control, compass, trip computer, heated front seats, tachometer, remote keyless entry. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.